Hello, everyone. We're Tiangong Forging Co., Limited. The factory is located in Changzhou, China. The factory was established in 1993 and has been there for 31 years. There are many friends who know us in the forging field, and we will take you to visit our factory. 走进大门后，这就是我们的综合办公大楼。First, let me introduce our forging shop. We have 3 electric hammers. The largest one is 12 tons. The weight of a single forging product can reach about 8 tons. This is a 12-ton electric hammer. The master worker operates the machine and is forging. This is the cutting workshop. PMC distributes dispatch list to workers according to drawing requirements. PMC will make a work order for the material, cut size, and quantity and send it to the workers. The workers cut the material as required. Over here is a large sewing machine. We have 6 large sewing machines to ensure that the cutting time will not affect the delivery time. In order to improve the heating efficiency, we have created 6 heating furnaces. The material to be heated is fed into the heating furnace by such a mechanical arm. Look, the machine is taking material from the heating furnace. After taking the material, close the furnace door. The material is kept warm in the furnace and then taken out when forging. This normalizing workshop, the worker is loading material into the stove. We have 4 normalizing stoves. We came to the machine shop. The workers turn parts according to the drawing. The CNC area has cylinder block and planetary bolt. In order to meet the different needs of customers, we have added large CNC drilling equipment. The workers are punching holes in the wheels.